Hi there, this is a run through of Fake Plastic Trees by Radiohead. We are going to kick off with an A chord. So we've got the basic strumming pattern is now from time to time he changes that, and we'll talk about that as we go through the song. We've got 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2. Okay, so it's into the second bar. He plays a sus4 at the end of the bar. So we've got 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a. So that basically is A, 1 and 2 and a, as we've done the entire time. And then we're going to play the 3, 1. Little finger goes on sus4 and 4. And then you're going to take it off and play down, up. So that's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to go to D major 9 with an F sharp bass. Welcome to Jazz Club. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now in this bar he goes from D with the F sharp bass to E. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ding dong, it's all happening. Okay, then we're going to go to D sus2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A and 2 and 3 and 4 and D sus2. 3 and 4 and now in this 8th bar we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and alright. Then that repeats around pretty much. We've got the B section, we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, that A section, B section repeats 3 times, and then we're going to go to the outro. The outro is basically kind of sounds like the chorus. We've got this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Do the same thing. And 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. There's a sus4 in there and 4 and then that repeats through. And that's the end of the song. Thanks very much for watching. I better go get the door. So thanks very much for watching this video. Please subscribe for regular Saturday morning lessons, and I will see you next time. Cheers. Thanks very much.